Hello everyone, this is Josue Dioba. As you know, every Saturday we get together to talk about the week's news, and today I'm here again to talk about the 3 Atoms project, as well as the progress and achievements that have been made up to now. Thank you for following us, and we can get started. We now head to India, where a webinar will be held on May 25th starting at 7 p.m. for everyone who is in India. Please log in so you can follow this conference, which will provide you with the latest news as well as information about the ELECTROATOM project that aims to establish itself in India. So everyone in that country, please log in to learn more. We will have guest speakers. Viktor Tiunov will be there personally along with his entire team, who will be able to provide information to everyone. As you know, on June 29th, there will also be a conference held in Vietnam. This is very good news. On June 29th, Viktor Tiunov and his team will go to Vietnam to hold a conference, allowing everyone in Vietnam to learn about these revolutionary technologies, as well as to become shareholders and invest in the project. It's a great opportunity for everyone in Vietnam. We encourage you to join this project with us, but also to invest and become a co-owner of this technology. And then, on May 18th, there was a conference in Lomé, Togo, at the BRAVIA Hotel, which was organized by our speakers, the representative from Togo, Christophe Baloitcha, as well as his guest from Benin, Ibrahim Leriche, who managed the conference together. It went wonderfully, and we saw many people who were able to attend this conference. This is an opportunity to thank the representative as well as his guest who came all the way from Benin for enabling people to learn much more about the ELECTROATOM project, the technology, the investment, and also how to become a shareholder in this major project. And then, friends, I would like to talk to you about our Earn Money offer, this initiative launched by the Elatom company to allow everyone to acquire investment packages. For everyone who purchases packages automatically, once a payment is made, 50% is paid back to you. Let me explain. If someone buys a package for $1,000, $500 is immediately paid back to them. We recently made a video to explain the process and how to make the payment. You can watch this video for more details. And friends, I would also like to remind you about all your investment packages that you have purchased for everyone who is behind on payments. Please make your payments so you can be up to date and benefit from the shares that are distributed by the Elatom company. Hurry up, everyone who is behind on payments. You still have the opportunity to pay for your packages. This is a very good offer they are giving you. So don't miss this opportunity and join this project so that together we can develop the Elatom company. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next week for more news. This is Josue Dioba at your service. Goodbye.